You will be amazed by this 2019 Toyota Camry. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.